How to access Google Play Store in laptop. Hi, welcome to Tech Tools. In this video, we'll show you how to use Google Play Store in your laptop and how to run Android's games on your laptop's computers. Also, this fixes the error most people face while trying to get Google Play Store for their laptop, which says this Google account is not yet associated with the device. So hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon while we walk you through every step. Also, check description after this video for recommended videos. Let's get started. Open your browser. Search for BlueStacks. You can use the link in the description so as to get to the same page as shown here on this video. Do not click on the Download BlueStacks button. Do this instead. Click on See All Versions. This will take you to a page like this one on the screen. Now, you have to download BlueStacks according to your operating system. To know your operating system, click on File Explorer, this PC. Right-click on a blank section. Click on Properties. This will take you to your laptop's information. Here you can see mine is 64-bit operating system. Go back to BlueStacks website. Download the Android 13 64-bit beta. Please subscribe if you have not done so. This will encourage us to make more videos like this. Download complete. Click on folder icon to locate the downloaded file. Here, now, I will have to copy this file to my desktop so you see every process clear. We have BlueStacks alternatives. Check link in description. Here is the BlueStacks setup file. Next we have to do is installation. Watch carefully and closely. Right-click on the BlueStacks setup file and click on Run as Administrator. Next, you will see a screen that will pop up asking for permission. Click on Yes. After that, BlueStacks installation process starts immediately. Here is the Terms and Condition page. Click on Agree and Install button. After clicking, BlueStacks will start installation. This will take couple of time depending on your internet speed. Do not exit this process and make sure your internet connection is on. After installation is complete, BlueStacks will launch automatically. Depending on your laptop capacity, this might take a while. You just have to be patient. Please like and subscribe. This will encourage us to make more videos like this one. Allow this to load till 100%. You might encounter BlueStacks error, such as BlueStacks refusing to load to its normal interface. We made a video on how to fix that. Link is in description or check our first pinned comment. After BlueStacks loads, here is its interface. Click on where you see System Apps. Here, now, we want to access Google Play Store in laptop. Not just that, also play Android games on laptop. Click on the Play Store app. You'll have to sign in your Google account. Click on Sign In. The next section you should see is the section to type in your Gmail address. Carefully type in your Gmail address. I'll have to blur mine. Click on Next after typing. Are you facing any difficulty on your laptop? Use the Join Community button so you let us know what the problem is. Or you can as well join our WhatsApp group using the link in description. Here now, you have to enter your Google account password. Click on Next after entering your Google account password. Depending on your internet speed, This will take just few seconds to verify your details entered. Click on the I agree button. Please like and subscribe. This will encourage us to make more videos like this one. You can as well leave a comment below the comment section with the error you want us to assist you fix. Click on the arrow down button and next click on Accept. Let me know in comment section if there's any part you want more explanations to. Congratulations! You now have access to Google Play Store in your laptop. You can now install any Android app here, and that's just it. Just like Apple Store is to iOS, Google Play Store is to Android users and Microsoft Store for Windows. If you're looking for how to install apps on your laptop computer, check the description below. I made a video on that. Many BlueStacks users complain that BlueStacks is slow. Check description below. We have BlueStacks alternative. It's fast, easy to set up, and no slack. Congratulations to those who followed our tutorial step by step and got it right. Subscribe, like, share, and leave comment below. Your comments will assist YouTube in targeting the right audience. Thanks for watching. See you on our next video.